Hi everyone, welcome to SaltPages YouTube channel. Today we're going to see how to connect the database from Excel, and I want to get the data from database to Excel, but I don't want to use any import export wizard. So first open any Excel file, an empty Excel file. So let's take any of the database. I'm taking ADWorks as my database. And I want to copy person address and person address type. Select star from person dot address. So I have this data, and also I'm selecting another table, person address type. So I want to copy the data from these two tables to Excel, but I want to connect the database from the Excel, and I want to import the data from here. So select data. I'll just rename this as, before that, person dot address. This one as person dot address type. So select data, get the data from database and from SQL Server database. Here you have to give the server name. Server name you can get it from here. Just copy the server name, paste it here. So you can give the database name if you know the database name, or else if you can left it blank. If you left it blank, you can see all the databases. If you give the database name, you can see only the specific database. See here, if I give the database name, I can see only the data which is inside the specific database, or else if you can left it blank, you can see all the databases. So I need the data in ADWorks, that is person address. See here. Okay, already create. And another tab, I need other table data. Person address type, this one. See here. So you can filter the data, or you can do anything, like you can copy the data, or else you can filter the data as well. Like this. Thanks for watching.